Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the 88 show. It's your boy Day, and today we're doing a little something different here. I'm gonna be going to a local car meet and just checking out some of the local cars, see what's going on. And dude, it's so crazy. It's 6:51 in the morning. I don't usually get up this early, so I'm a little groggy and drowsy and blah, but we're just gonna go check out some of the cars and see what's good. Yeah, it's first time going to a local car meet, so I don't know why I'm just a bit nervous, and I don't usually socialize. Yeah, I try to work on that, but anyway, let's go check out some of these cars and have some fun. And it's also Sunday morning, so happy Sunday, guys. Peace. Hey guys, we made it to the meet here, and still pretty early until it starts. It starts at 7:30. And it's only 7:03 right now. The meet's actually pretty close to my house, so I figured I'd get here a little early just in case parking spots fill up. But yeah, that's pretty good. Here, let me show you around me. And the Miata, a couple of cars in the background, but we'll get out and walk around once the spots start filling up, So yeah, all right, guys. See y'all in a bit. Peace. guys, hope you enjoyed that little compilation. I know I suck at recording and I'm sweating balls here, but it was a good meet here and good experience. Got some good walking in. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Oh, my glasses are fogging up. I will catch you guys later on my next video. Peace.